Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also, you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These, I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So let's start. PMAYG. What does PMAYG stands for? Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and G is for Grameen. Recently, for this scheme, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen 5th anniversary was celebrated on 20th of November this year as Awas Divas. Remember, can be asked. Awas Divas is celebrated on which date? On 20th of November. For what occasion? It is the 5th anniversary of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Grameen Yojana for Grameen. All right, then as you can see, it is related to house. There is a house built here. That means in this Awas Yojana, houses will be provided to people. Just simple and direct fact. What is Pradhan Mantri Awas Grameen Yojana or Awas Yojana Grameen? This is related to providing houses to various peoples in the various districts of India. The Awas Divas is celebrated annually on 20th of November to commemorate the launch of Pradhan Mantri Awas Grameen Yojana. The aim is to provide housing for all by 2022. If it is asked what is the reason for launching this scheme, it was providing housing for all the people of India who does not have any house by year 2022. If we talk about this Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana, Indra Awas Yojana was restructured as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. That means the earlier scheme was Indra Awas Yojana, which was changed or restructured to the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. It is a rural housing program that was started as an independent scheme in January 1996. This is your Indra Awas Yojana, and it was restructured on 1st of April 2016 to Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana. So if it is asked, when was the Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana launched? It was launched in the year 2016. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched on November 2016 Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana at Agra, UP under the ambit of the Ministry of Rural Development. Aim is to provide a pakka house with basic amenities to all the rural families who are homeless or living in kacha or dilapidated houses by the end of the March 2022. To help rural people below the poverty line in construction of dwelling units and upgradation of existing unserviceable kacha houses by providing assistance in the form of full grant. It emphasizes to complete 2.95 crore Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin houses by the year 2022. Who are the beneficiaries of this particular scheme? People belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, freed bonded laborers, non-SC/ST categories, widows or next of kin of defense personnel killed in action, ex-servicemen, retired members of paramilitary forces, disabled persons and minorities. These are all applicable to apply for this scheme and to have the benefits of this particular scheme. What are the selection of the beneficiaries? They will be selected, means you cannot provide houses to all the people. Like if 100% of them allow for a house, then you won't be providing 100% to the houses. So they will be selected on some categories. They are such as socio-economic, caste status, Gram Sabha, geotagging, and these are the selection categories for these beneficiaries. Like they will be judged on their socio-economic structure or what are their how much amount of money they are earning, or what is the, like if a rich person, if Amitabh Bachchan applies for a house, doesn't mean he will be getting a house because he is already rich. He does not need a house. You getting my point? All right. So this was your Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana. This was the 5th anniversary that we observed on which date? It was observed on 20th of November, that you should know, will be asked. And on this day we observed Awas Divas. All right. So Awas Divas was observed on 20th of November, which is the 5th anniversary of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Gramin Yojana that was launched in the year 2016. That is to provide housing for all the people by the year 2022. Hello friends, through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थी हमारी वीडियो। अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। और फ्रेंड्स अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारे कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।